Some mornings just hit different. No lift lines, no stress, just breakfast. This is where most good days begin, not with a plan, but with a spark. Backyard's quiet, favorite bevy on hands, and you hearing this? You know it's about to be a good morning. Nice turns off the hill. Welcome to the grill, everybody.
Bacon's done. Woohoo!
No lift left behind here, not even on the grill. Flip it once, don't rush it. Glory like this takes time.
Dirty grill, so we can just take all this. And we'll just take some water.
And while we take a moment to clean up the grill, if you're enjoying this content, please follow below. And if you want more information on the Weber grill, hit our link below. Dropping eggs in 3, 2, 1.
Wellington.
They have Superstar early.
Alright, we're gonna toast it a little bit.
Like a couple of years ago, when he's
Come on, Swiss or American?
American.
I knew it. And there you go. Parking lot food, the best. Yep.
That first bite is always the primer to get you jazzed to go. Bacon, egg, and cheese, straight off the trap.
Yeah, how was it?
Awesome.
Next up, one of my favorites, dropping wings. 3, 2, 1.
Fucking tailgate favorite. Famous buffalo wings. Woohoo! Oh yeah. Just keep on popping them on there. Don't let any of that sauce go to waste, kids. Now a little bit of fire, but not too much. Fucking smoke them out, kids. Oh, see, that's what we're looking for, kids. Right there. Let them burn. You don't get hurt in the air and you don't get hurt in the grill. Come on. So, but it's a pain in the ass.
And this is the payoff, making turns to earn your wings.
That's what we're looking for.
The combo grill and blacktop is my favorite way to roll. Blacktop sold separately though. Check it all out and hit the links below. Keep this content coming. Dinner's up next, and I always like to see what we can cook on this thing. So tonight's specialty is frozen mac and cheese. Let's see how it turns out.
We're testing frozen mac and cheese tonight, guys. This is, we got the cheese, which a lot of people don't like cheese on sausage and peppers. But then we put bacon on.
you made that this spring.
How's that burn?
I don't think well.
Oh, my mac and cheese is actually spinning, Paul.
Yeah, look at you.
Oh, I didn't think it was gonna work. Look at
Who makes that grill?
Weber, baby, Weber.
Where'd you get it?
I don't know. I think this.
Oh, I have one. You having one? Private rooms, private showers.
All right, Glacier Dog in full effect.
And I didn't see Graham that. Wow, that's gonna be really something.
Yeah. But still, you're so far.
I mean, come on. Come on. I mean, come on. Come on! Glacier Dogs.
Cheers, cheers.
Toasted another epic grill session with the Glacier Dog. So flipping good. Favorite part, one click of the finger, she drops, is ready to roll out. Huge thanks for Paul and Jeff for showing up. More information and links below. Nice turns, everybody. We had to put the Traveler to the test, and since this night, that big boy 4-burner has not been seen. Nice turns, everybody.